Oh my god, really? Really? In front of your kid? Horrible pranks. See, that's the kid. There are more kids in there. Ugh, that's just sick. It's okay. Me and you. From getting these noises all the time. Oh, you poor thing. It's like, what the hell are you doing? Ugh. Aww. Hey, boy. Seems like it's true. All boys think about sex. You know, you should stop it or she'll die. I don't want to distract them, but I don't want her to die. Yeah, give your boyfriend a piggyback ride. Yeah, that's right, girl. Shoo that naughty kid away. Oh, yes, yes. Uh-huh. Oh, Mama. There's more kids in there. Why do you want more? Protective freaking mother. What are you doing, huh? You going like, I want more kids no matter what?